1 kilogram, which mass is, initially it was described by other system of units like other kinds of objects or like this. So basically there is one object which is said to be world's roundest object. Like it is purely symmetric. Whatever round objects you are seeing, balls and anything, these are not exactly round. The purely symmetric world's roundest object. It took $3 million to create that thing, and as of now, the price of that object is said to be priceless. That it is priceless, it cannot be bought. It is said to have mass of exactly 1 kilogram. Like it is very special thing to have exact mass of 1 kilogram. The only object in this universe which has mass of 1 kilogram, 1 kg.
1 kg?
Yeah.
अच्छा वो ये वाले बाल नहीं है?
Like it is basically made of silicon. Like yeah, you can call it a ball, a sphere, but it's totally round.
तो क्या ये जो हम लोग बॉल रखते हैं ये राउंड नहीं होता है?
No, not exactly. There are still
जैसे क्रिकेट खेलते हो बॉल नहीं
discontinuities,
होता है?
but it is not exactly round. There are discontinuities in that. When you'll see at small levels, then on one side there will be more atoms, on other side there will be less atoms. So at macroscopic level, when we are seeing this is round, but when you'll see it exactly at microscopic level, it is not exactly round. So world's roundest object made of silicon, priceless.
कहाँ कहाँ बनाया था?
It is kept in Paris, kept in Paris. So the speciality is that it has mass of exact 1 kg. That is the speciality. Like no other object in the universe has this much mass. You will see that whenever we weigh 1 kg, it is not exactly 1 kg. Always something like some additional it will be or something less.
Yes.
But 1 kg is it has been defined by that particular thing. Now again it has been defined by Planck's constant because this is universal, so it will never change. But 1 kg has been defined that.
मीन्स अगर हम 1 किलो का सपोज करो नमक का पैकेट लेता हूँ तो
Yeah.
1 किलो नहीं रहता है?
No,
कम
there will
रहता है।
always be something like not completely accurate, inaccuracy in that.
तो इसको मेजर करने का तरीका क्या है?
1
कैसे?
kg.
हाँ 1
Like
kg.
1 kg was defined to be that way. What basically happened earlier, you'll see that something like say meter. You'll see meter, then you can see second or something like that, meter or cubic meter, anything, any other system of unit. Out of all the system of units, you'll see only the mass that is measured in SI in kilograms has the prefix kilo. If you compare it to other, then mass SI unit should be gram, not kilogram. So otherwise of length also it should be kilometer instead of meter. The reason is that earlier when it was adapted, that it was said to be the mass of a specific volume of water. Then what those scientists thought that it is too large of a volume to be used. So they broke it into 1,000 different pieces and they called it gram each piece, that this will be the mass of 1 gram. When they saw that it is too small to be used, they reverted back again. This was already defined as SI in gram. So when they reverted back, multiplied by 1,000, then it became kilogram. This is the reason mass is the only system of unit in which only quantity to be measured in which the prefix kilo is written for the SI system of unit, unlike all the others. That is the reason. So this object is defined that way only, that it will have 1 kilogram mass. As everything became more and more accurate, it was created for such a purpose that you'll defined Avogadro's number in terms of this number of atoms in this, and then by that Avogadro's number, you will define that this object has this much mass and 1 kilogram definition will be given. Like this work happens in physics.
अच्छा अभी तुमको कौन सी बुक चाहिए? कौन सी बुक कर रहे थे?
Now I'll study Resnick Halliday crane.
Resnick Halliday
crane.
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 Crane. इस तरह
like Krane. Like Walker, I've already studied. I've studied Walker, University Physics. I've studied surveys there.
तो चल कल चलते हैं, वहां से चलेंगे, थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन भी चलेंगे.